সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ, জহিরুদ্দিন উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়ের অনলাইন ক্লাসে স্বাগতম। আমি নিরঞ্জন চন্দ্র দে, সহকারী শিক্ষক, জহিরুদ্দিন উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়। আমি আজকে নবম শ্রেণীর ইংরেজি প্রথম পত্র বিষয়ের উপর একটি ক্লাস নিব। ইউনিট 3, লেসন 3, ইউনিট 3, লেসন 3। ইন্টারন্যাশনাল মাদার ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ডে। টপিকটি পড়ছি, তোমরা একটু মনোযোগ সহকারে শোনো। 21 February, in a memorable day in our national history. We observe the day every year as International Mother Language Day. The day is a national holiday. On this day, we pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives to establish Bangla as a state language in invaded Pakistan in 1952. This is known as the language movement. The seat of the language movement was shown on 21 March 1948, when Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the then Governor General of Pakistan, at the public meeting in Dhaka, declared that Urdu would be the only official language of Pakistan. The declaration raised a storm of protest in the eastern part of the country. The protests continued non-stop, gathering momentum day by day. It turned into a movement and reached its climax in 1952. The government outlawed all sorts of public meeting and realized to prevent it. The students of Dhaka University defined the law and they brought out a peaceful procession on 21 February 1952. When the procession reached near Dhaka Medical College, the police opened fire on the students, killing Salam, Rafiq, Barkat and Jabbar. This unkindness is the spark of independent movement of Bangladesh. আমি একটা কমপ্লিট চার্ট দিচ্ছি তোমাদের। টাইম হওয়ার থাকে 1947, 1948, 1947, Pakistan and India became independent. Bangladesh. Pakistan and India became independent. 1947. 1948, Muhammad Ali Jinnah declared the Urdu would be the only official language of Pakistan. 1952, the students of Dhaka University brought out a procession on 21 February. The question, একটি প্রশ্ন দিচ্ছি তোমাদের। Question number 1. Why do we observe in this 1 February as the International Mother Language Day? Why do we observe 21 February as the International Mother Language Day? The UNESCO has proclaimed February 21 as the International Mother Language Day in 1999. So, we observe 21 February as International Mother Language Day. Question number 2. What happened? What happened when Urdu was declared as the only official language of Pakistan? Question number 2. What happened when Urdu was declared as the only official language of Pakistan? The declaration raised a storm of protest in East Pakistan. It continued non-stop. The government banned all types of public meetings. Question number 3. The seed of independence was sown in 21 February 1952. Do you agree with the comment? Why? The 6th of independence was shown in 21 February 1952. 1952 সালের 21 ফেব্রুয়ারি স্বাধীনতার বীজ বপন করা হয়েছিল। ডু ইউ এগ্রি উইথ দি কমেন্ট? তুমি এই মন্তব্যের সাথে একমত? Why? কেন? Yes, I agree on this day by protesting the one-side decision of then government of Pakistan. The people of East Pakistan understand how a struggle against illegal decision as process oppression. So the people of East Pakistan dream to be free from West Pakistan. Write briefly how to observe this year 21 February as your own school. তোমার বিদ্যালয়ে এই বছর 21 ফেব্রুয়ারি কিভাবে পালন করেছিলে তা সংক্ষেপে বলো। বিষয়টা খুব মনোযোগ সহকারে শোনো। Every year my school observes 21 February with due homage and solemnity. Early in the morning, the students and teachers of our school gather in the school campus. Then we all go to the school Shahid Minar in a rally to place bouquet of flowers. Before that, we wear black baggage on our Punjabi. We all go to the Shahid Minar barefooted. After coming back from there, we arrange an art competition for the children in the school premises. The students take part in it. The elder students take part in decision session arranged by the school. Finally, award is distributed among the winners. The students, teachers, and all guests are entertained with light refreshment. Thanks for all. See you next class.